Good day, everyone. I must say, Island Shipper is one of the best shipping company that I've experienced, and I'm happy that I learned about them through my friend Tanisha.
I've been shipping with Island Shippers for some months now, and I'm telling you the truth, I don't really have a problem with that. My packages always reach on time anytime I need it. So it's great. If you want to try it out, you can go ahead and do it. They are the best company I ever been with.
Had to do this video to tell you all about my experience with Alan Shippers. Trust me, it was one of the best decisions I made to sign up and start shipping with them. My packages are always here safely, untampered, no damages, and they're always early. And can I tell you about those shipping fees? It's gonna be one of the best decisions you ever make with your money. Just go ahead and ship with Island Shippers. Sign up on their app and track your packages, and you'll be headache free. Trust me.
And the customer cares out here. They're really nice. So I like to big them up. I get my package. Sorry for the bump. I got my package, safe delivery, and I know how to track my package from the US coming to Jamaica. First time doing it, never did fully understand it.
Greetings, one and all. Just want to give shout out to Island Shippers Shipping Company. Really saving the island a fortune. Cause I'm tell you, this shipping company, when you talk about flat rate, they have it. You talk about doorstep delivery, don't matter the weather. It could be pouring with rain or the sun pelting. I tell you, they deliver. Let me tell you about customer service. Them got it. Hey, another thing, coupons. Oh God, man, hey, they give you coupons for days. Coupons and coupons and coupons and hey, you can count on this shipping company to deliver.
Pick up the shipping company that I use, and that shipping company is called Island Shipper. I have been a customer with them since August of 2021, and trust me, they are very reliable, they are very trustworthy, they are very communicative, their customer service is top notch, and their staff, them know about customer friendly. Let me say them reliable. You don't have to worry if you're going to receive your package. Rain or shine, morning, noon or night, you are going to get your package. I can give a prime example of that. I remember when I ordered this frame on Amazon, and the address that I put on the website is not the address I was at the time when the package was expected to be delivered. I don't remember the gentleman's name who I've called, and I told him that I am not at the location. I am at work on a promotion. I gave him the address, and trust me, the gentleman found me and he ensured that I received my package.
Comes to the best shipping company, Island Shipper. Our package always are reach and affordable. So yeah.
Big thank you to Island Shipper. A big thank you. I met them over Instagram. It was no one introduced me to it. I met them over Instagram. Just one randomly, one day, strolling and thing, want a shipping company, but I came up against them. I say, you know what? Let me just sign up and see what I want. Anyways, I sign up, I never tried it at first. You understand? I just tried them the other day, as in June, July, so. I may tell you, when I tell you, say, and them are the boss, and them are the done. Because guess what? I could have chopped my package even when it reached in Jamaica, even when it soon reached on my doorstep. And guess what? Again, the payment, it was so easy. Everything is done online, and that is it. Is not, everything is done. So when the delivery man come, you just don't say your package you gonna get.
Big up to Island Shippers all day, every day. Right through. Now let them deserve it. And the next best thing women love about them, see anytime anything I'm to your package, like for example, there's a delay or anything like that, or create a shipping alert correctly, then we text and inform you, say, "Hey, you understand me?" I say, "Yeah." So them always make sure say, me don't know if you say enough, me not tell you, I don't know if you say, cause there's too much to say, and me I try to make this quick before a boss come or whoever. But yeah, big up to Island Shippers all day, every day.